Sup, everybody. Super Warrior to be here. And today, yesterday we made an episode we basically just saw how many people you can make hate you in the streets, and I said I was going to continue it in different games. Now this brings us to Royal Goal. So, I am a bit of a high level myself, so I should be okay with making people just dislike me. Like, if there's spiders and that's easy, all I can do is just hit them and I get one shot. Okay, it still works. So yeah, let's load up the game then. Starting Roblox. Okay, here we go. Now, we obviously I obviously have ghoul. I'm only good when I'm actually a ghoul. So yeah, pretty much. So okay then, let's just dash over to some people. What's this guy doing? Rank 1 investigator. Oh my. What the hell? No. Oh, I'm not having none of that in the house. I'm not having none of that in my house, boy. Not even know. He's getting attacked. He's actually getting attacked. That's awesome. He's like, what the fuck is this kid doing? Ah! Oh shit, no. I have to deform my centipede. Alright then, let's go. I'm a centipede. But I probably know you. He's just so stiff. I'm gonna attack him. I'm probably gonna attack his friend. XDDDD. Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit. Dang, what the fuck? This guy, I can't even see because my camera got stuck inside of the. My camera got stuck inside, so I literally can see. Okay, but that's not my problem. That's his or whatever. I don't know. He's a fake. He should be deaf. Oh, never mind. He is. I just mute my shots. Let's just say that he's a hacker because that is too embarrassing to actually admit. Okay, let's try these guys. They look like extremely weak farmers. Like, literally. They're like farming. Farming bad. Come on. Actually, no, I'm just gonna let her escape. Cause, like, I feel bad for killing low rank. But it was kind of like a 2v1. That guy hit me for some health. Yeah, I'm just gonna take your kill, buddy. You can't hit me. So annoying, man. Just go away. You saw what I did to your health. Thank you. No, this is where the chaos actually goes on. What is going on here? Guys, Dasher. I'm a Dasher. Hey, you. I challenge you. Oh my god. I was gonna challenge you to an excessive amount of deep. I need help. Really? Really? You need help? Why now? I'm trying to kill a dude. I'm fighting. I can't. Hold on. At Ante Q. Ante Q. What is this guy doing? I hit him once for that much HP off. Can't you learn that I'm strong? That's it. I'm getting tired of your crap, boy. I'm getting tired of your crap. Teamwork is a dream work, and I killed my own partner. Who? It's not him. Yep. I'm still fighting this guy. Jesus. No. Oh no, that's horrible. No. He's a dasher. I can't turn centipede. I cannot turn centipede. because that is bad. Centipede is bad. Okay, I need to stop fighting with this guy, and I have to do my job. So let's just get in front of him. He's probably gonna chase after me. I have to look behind. Boys, get ready to die. Oh, dang, your name is sexist. Oh, God. Your name is sexist. Your name is actually sexist. I feel offended. Your name is sexist. Also, I'm a little sick, so sorry if my voice is a bit bad. Hi, boys, sup? You guys know each other? No, I'm making too much friends here. This is horrible. This is horrible. This is actually horrible. I need to get away from them. I don't want to attack them. They're probably gonna hate me just from me just going away from them. Like, bro, really? You're just gonna... You could have just said you don't wanna. Okay, I need to find that guy with the centipede. I was taking him for granted. But now I know he's not to be taken for granted, or else like, he could die. Well, that's just what happened to me, so... Dang, there's no friends right there. Look at him. Look at him, CCG, CCG Zoo, CCG Boo. Is he AFK? I'm just gonna creep closer and closer and find out if he's AFK. He just takes so long to eat a meal. That meal looks tasty. Num num num. My goal instinct. Getting pissed. Okay, that's it. I'm freaking done. I'm actually done here. I'm freaking done here. I'm freaking done. I'm actually done. I'm actually done. You're die. Just die. 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 I'm done. I'm so freaking done. Oh my god. I'm so tired of this guy. Like, what is he doing? What the f is he doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Oh god, they're teaming on me. Asshole. Yeah, you're an asshole. Know how to freaking eat. They're teaming. God damn. I'm just gonna let them hit each other. No way, they're probably in a party or something. Yep. And I'm still hitting them. I'm not letting you get turned into a centipede, my friend. Flip. I'm not letting you turn into a centipede. If I turn into a centipede, my whole life's gonna turn into an end. Nope. And I screwed up miserably. I'd have to take care of this kid, though. Ouch! Hit me twice because of one move. These guys are in a party. They can't hit each other. Dang, smart. I wish she didn't have the freaking thing. They're teaming. They can't say anything because they're teaming. We did it! Oh, yeah, of course you did because you're teaming. Ew, boo, 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 teaming. Weak he is. No, you're teaming? You're teaming. Oh, you can't say I'm weak if you're both attacking me. You don't mess with us. I'm all like, I care. Okay, well those guys are just actually really salty. So actually I think I'm salty. Oh no, that's bad. Okay, I'm just gonna go and for no apparent reason just attack my own friends. Are they even friends? I don't know. Like, what are you? Okay, this guy's B-rated. My dir's bad. Can I cuss chicken? Sure. I feel bad killing them. Them all. Ouch. That hurt. That actually hurt. I might punch this guy. What the fuck? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Ow. 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 Wait, what the heck? I'm not even hitting him. Ouch. 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 No, I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dyeing my hair blue. Actually, no, I dyed my hair white. Okay, guys, I'm doing a video, so I'm doing a video, so I'ma just attack you for no reason at all. Okay. No harsh feelings. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my freaking god! Oh my god! Idiot! Hashtag, hashtag, hashtag! Oh, this is great. This is great. Oh, yes, this is great. Hey, I need help. Is this a game or real? Okay. Oh, I'm pretty much done. I don't even know what happened right there. I'm probably gonna level up to get this because like I was good and I was killing people, but then those guys just came and one shot me. So if I have that, then I'm only like I'm only like 400. No, I'm only like 350 mil. I'm only 3 million away from that, so I'll be sure to get it next vid that we do on this game. So yeah, pretty much I'm done. People get offended easily in this game, even if you say that you're gonna kill them for no reason and no harsh feelings. So yeah, pretty much wait, this person wants me to kill them. Okay, Sushi, you better not ban me because it's just asking to get killed. Literally. So, okay. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please, I forgot what to say. I need help. Want to go to another server or be here? Do you hear me? Can you allies me? Yes, because I'm done with, because, oh my god, because I'm done with the vid. Anyways, bye guys. I allies you. Okay. You know what? Oh, yeah. Anyways, bye.